infection. Ear. It sounds like you're in a tunnel. It's in his ear. Ear infection. E-A...
The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for Orange, CA, Riverside, CA, San Bernardino, CA, and San Diego, CA, beginning at 7:24 p.m. and ending at 9:24 p.m. A blue alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Encinitas Police Department. On July 19, 2026, at 4:00 p.m., an officer-involved shooting occurred in Encinitas, California. The suspect is Craig Tyson, a 46-year-old black male, standing 6 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 220 pounds, with salt and pepper hair and brown eyes. Craig Tyson is believed to be wearing a black leather jacket, blue jeans, and brown Timberland boots. Craig Tyson fatally shot a San Diego Sheriff's deputy, seriously injured another during a routine traffic stop, and took many belongings from the slain officer. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2004 Infiniti G35 with California license plate number 6JPW914. If seen, call 911.
Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Ah, use a fork, you animal!
Did you? Let's go. Ain't that way just as smart?
I can count to this much.
These crepes are severely undercooked!
I'm sorry.
Well, someone took Fry